This village really exists, just the way it always has, in the remote hills of Central Africa. It was not until I was almost full-grown and left my village that I found our village was like no other. For the men live in square houses and the women in round ones. To me, this seemed the natural order of things. But what is it like, you ask? I will tell you how it was and is for me. I grew up on my grandmother's farm in the village of Tos that lies at the foot of Naka Mountain in the Bamani Hills of West Africa. We planted